Make sure you grab your free slow living guide. Welcome. Let's go ahead and surrender and heal. Surrender and healing is a part of yoga. So undulate your spine. Undulate. The spine health is of utmost importance. And this is how we're going to do it as we surrender. Oh, does it feel so good? That spine manipulation that we do for ourselves brings the healing, not only to our body, but to our mind. So even if you're not doing what I'm doing, just keep moving, undulating, and flowing. Other side. It's about the balance, remember. If we go right, we go left. If we go left, we go right. If we go forward, we go back. If we go back, we go forward. So go ahead and separate your legs and breathe it out. Yes, let it all go. Look and be aware and feel your spine. Make sure it's in good alignment as we rock back and forth. Okay. Now, take a look at what we're doing. We're going to open up our chest with our shoulders dropped. Again, inhale. And exhale. That child's pose is a savior. Absolutely. Remember to let it go. Release everything. So grab a pillow, a bolster, whatever you have, so we can surrender just a little more. This holds our weight as we calm our nervous system. Hang in there. And you can bring your arms back. And make sure you're taking care of your neck. So you're going a little side to side. That's the beauty of being in surrender mode. Okay, straighten up. Again, exhale, let the bolster hold you. Okay, now we're going to do a little more opening of the spine. So we are on the right leg. Bring it in, inhale, and exhale, take it back. And you want to try to keep the leg parallel to the floor. Now we're going to add the arm. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time as we switch sides. So your left leg is going to come up and in, up, elongate and in, up, and bring it in as you roll your spine, that arching. Now add the leg and the arm. Bring it all in. Round it out as you come up. And reach up, and you're going to go into half camel. Now lift your chest up. Drop your shoulders. Keep your hips parallel. And let your hips be right over your knees as you open up the chest with your left arm lifted. Just do a little jig side to side, unwinding the spine. Oh, the poetry of movement. Now, full camel. If this is a little hard, you will want to bring your chin into the chest. If you're able to, go ahead and open it up. Just don't let your neck be compromised. Inhale up and exhale into child's pose. Doesn't this feel like you're just a baby again? Just think how relaxed that you didn't even know when you were a child how great it was. So open. We're going to be supine on the floor as we lift our right leg, and we do inhale and exhale. This is a half bow. Exhale up the left leg and exhale. Again, right leg with left arm out. Exhale. Switch sides, left leg up and right arm up. And relax. Other side again. Right arm, left leg. A little jig will do. Okay, here we go. Both, and exhale as you come up. Hold, 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 and oh yeah, just bring your feet in as far as you can to your buttocks. Great thigh stretch. Again. Make sure you're breathing. There are times when you're going to hold your breath, so while you're up here, you can hold, 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 lift, 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 and exhale. Twist it out. Twist it out. Oh, it feels so good. As we go into pigeon with the right leg. And check in. Make sure that your buttocks is nice and released. Open up that leg. We're going to reach out, extend the chest over the knees. Now, if you can't come down that far, that's okay. You come down as far as you can. It's a beautiful thing. because yoga is about equanimity, and equanimity brings you to your own personal space. I am just a guide. Left leg comes forward in pigeon. And exhale. Surrender. Remember, we are surrendering, we are healing, we are finding our happy space in every single pose, utilizing the breath as we relax. Okay, now pay attention, because I have one more thing to show you. This is one of those little roller balls. These are outrageously awesome in the fact that they really do open up your chest. You might get some pops and some cracks, and just roll it and roll it. If you don't have one of these, you can use a ball, like a Pilates ball. Just find something to put under your spine to open up the chest. Oh, yes. Find your breath. Remember the breath. Check in with your neck. I've never been a big fan of yoga props, but this one feels so good. So let's just do a few sit-ups here. We're using our right leg first. And take the chest up towards the thigh. Release. Other side. And hold the leg up. Do your best for the stretch, and then open up into butterfly. And I am still on the roller. Invaluable tool. And just check in with your groin muscles, because this will cause some great tightness and yet some great release at the same time. Just take a look as we are going to move down into Shavasana, the greatest surrender. Blessings to you. Blessings. And if you do choose to come up into Padmasana, that'd be great. And we'll finish it out right here in Namaste.